Let's discuss what is integration testing. Integration testing is a level of software testing where individual modules or components are combined and tested together to check if they work correctly as a group. Integration testing tools Selenium, Postman, and SOAP UI. Why integration testing is important? Because integration testing is done, unit testing alone is not enough. First, detect interface errors. Second, ensure system. Third, reduce risk of system failure. Fourth, improve software and quality. And last, validate real-world scenarios. There are two types of integration testing. First, incremental integration testing. Second, non-incremental integration testing. First, what is incremental integration testing? Incremental integration testing is a method where modules are integrated and tested step by step at a one time in a small group. Second, what is non-incremental integration testing? Non-incremental integration testing is also called Big Bang testing. Is a method where always modules are integrated at once and tested as a complete system. There are two types of incremental integration testing. First, top-down integration testing. What is top-down integration testing? It starts from the top-level modules being controlled. Lower-level modules are added gradually. Users tap temporary modules for missing lower modules. For example, testing the login dashboard flow first before connecting database. Second, bottom-up integration system. What is bottom-up integration system? It starts from the lower modules. High-level modules are added later. User drivers to simulate calling modules. For example, testing database application processing before connecting the UI. What is advantage of incremental integration testing? Errors are easier to locate, early detection of integration issues, more control and systematic testing. And what is disadvantage of incremental integration testing? Takes more time, requires tab and drivers.